But after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love. Here's the thing about new love.
I take payment in kind.
You have to feed it. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people.
Oh shit, is that a hyena in a bathtub?
I named him Bruce after that hunky whiny guy. He's my little dumpling, aren't you? Aren't you, my little baby? Aren't you, Brucey? I love you. I never said that. I love you both equally. That is Cass.
Who's this?
It's a beaver. Does Brucey want a treat? Does Brucey want a treat?
What's this?
Lesson 37.
Why? You said they wouldn't find us.
Chillax. No one knows we're here.
Arlene Quinzel, this is Gotham Police.
Okay, so they know. Scram!
Open the door!
Holy backdoor, this is getting out of hand. Bruce?
Open the door!
What is that? Get under the table! No!
Bruce? Come here, boy. Bruce? Bruce? Bruce?
Oh, and I found Bruce. He was wandering around Chinatown. I guess that proves the theory that hyenas really do have 9 lives. Yeah, I made the kid my apprentice. Call me a softie. I dare ya.